Dear viewer and subscriber, I am Engineer Bashar. Welcome my channel Atlas Automation BT. Dear friend, today I discuss Omron PLC programming, communication between Omron PLC, data transmit and data receive. Program data transmit and data receive program. First part is the data transmit, and data transmit, and second part is the data receive part. Data is receiving part. I explain all block one by one. Friend, firstly, please subscribe my channel Atlas Automation BD. My channel have 200 more video PLC programming and industrial equipment controlling operation. Our work PLC and SMI programming and troubleshooting, any PLC, any HMI programming and troubleshooting, and industrial servo BFD industrial controlling device sales and service. Okay friend, go to the PLC programming. I explain this program one by one. Transmitting. Firstly, transmitting part, transmitting switch 0.00 is the transmitting switch, and A202.07 is the communication port enable. Friend, A202.002 communication port enable plug. Communication port enable plug. Zero network communication running. One is the no network communication running, and A219, A219.002, A21907 communication port error flag. Communication port error flag, and 0 is the normal end and 1 is the error end, and A0232 A201 communication port completion port, and A302 CPU bus unit initialize flag. And friend, go to the PLC program, and A207 is the communication port enable flag, and bit 1200.02 bit NC bit, and key function bit on off, bit on off, and reset 1200.01 switch is the reset, keep reset. And firstly, move function. Move function at the rate of move #00A. Number of send word 10. Send word 10. We know A is the 10. A is the 10. B is the 11. C is the 12. A is the 10. Number of send word 10. Number of send word 10, and destination D0. Destination D0 and 000A. Number of send word. transmit, and second, at the rate of move function 02 destination network number 2 0002 is the destination network number 2 and D1 source word and destination D2 and 002 hex destination network number 2. And friend, move at the rate of move hash 0400 source word and destination node number networking node number 4 and destination unit 0 and destination unit 0 destination node number 4 and destination unit 0 and friend, it is the node number move. And friend, at the rate of move hash 0705 and destination D3 is the communication port 7 address 707 and number of retires it is the communication response required and communication port now use 7 707 is the communication port and number of retires is the 05 number of retires 05 and move hash 0064 source data and destination data is the response monitoring time 10 millisecond. We know 100 0064 is the 100 hex is the hex value 0064 is the hex value and decimal value is the 100 millisecond time response monitoring time. Communication response monitoring time is the 10 second. And now XPAR transfer number of word first source word send data creation 00 hash 00A number of word send data creation 10 word of data 10 A means 10 word of data for word 000 0 is stored from D10 0 is stored from D10 send data creation. And friend, now explain send at the rate of send. D10 is the XPAR D10 send data creation and hash and 3 D20 and D0 10 this block 10 word of data 10 word of data 10 is the 10 word of data or a data from D10 at the local node is sent to D20 and this data D10 data sent D20 onward at network number 2 and onward and the network number 2 node number 4 and unit address 0 and bit 1200.00 and 202.07 communication foot enable and differential up bit 1200.01 on off and 1200 bit open contact and A29.07 is the communication port error flag. This is the important. A219.07 is the communication port error flag and send error display, and 1210.00 is the send error display. And friend, and now I start receiving program. 0.01 is the switch, enable switch, and communication port enable flag. A202.07 is the communication port enable flag and close contact 1200.00 close contact and keep bit on off 1200.02 bit on off and 1200.02 when keep is active, then 1200.02 is active and sending is start. Receiving is start. Data receiving is start. At the rate move 0010 and source data and destination data D5. Destination data D5 register, data register D5, and number of reception word 0010 sending data. My sending data hash 00A sending data. A means 10, 9, 10 hex. A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, A means 10 data sending, transmitting, and receive data number of reception, receive data. And friend, now I explain at the rate of move hash 003 and source data and destination D6 register. Source network number 3. Source network number. This block is the source network number. And friend, at the rate of move hash 200 2000 hash 2000 source data and 2000 data stored D7 source and destination. Source node non 32, source unit access 0. Source unit access 0 and source node non 32 source node non 20 and 00 is 20 is the source node non 32 and source unit address is 00. And friend, at the rate of move hash 0705 source word 0705 is the source word and destination this data stored D8. Communication response port nong. 07 is the communication response port nong 7. 07 is the communication response port nong, and 05 is the number of retire 05. Number of retire 05. And friend, at the rate of move head 000 is the source data and D9 is the destination data, and response monitoring time default, and 00 no time. 00 is the no time, and response monitoring timeout default. When response monitoring time is equal to 0, then is default. And friend, at the rate of receive network receive A100 2000 D5 at the reception data processing. Reception data processing, if there is no reception processing, completion error. There is no processing completion error. The 16 word of data received from word 2000 received 2000 on word is stored at D14. And this is the block the reception data processing, data receive, and friend, A100 a total of 16 word of data beginning from word A100 and at network number 3 node number 32 and unit address 0 and the receive at word 2000 on word of the local node and 1200.02 and communication port enable, differential up, bit on off, and it is the A219.07 is the communication port error and reception error display, and 1210.01 is the reception error display, and 1200.02 and 1200.03 reset input and A219.07 complete communication port error and XPAR at the rate of XPAR. Reception data processing had 0016 and reception data processing if there is no reception processing, completion error. The 16 word of data reception from Word and 2000 on Word is stored at D14 onward. Dear friend, this program is the communication between Omron PLC, data transmit and data receive. Friend, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and activate the bell icon. Okay friend, Allah Hafiz.